Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here in my Hobonichi weeks for the week of March 17th through 23rd, and I'm using stickers from Let's Plan It. What? Oh, it's the Jenny collection. She had a sale a couple of months ago or a few months ago, so I went all out on the Hobonichi kits, the Hobonichi weeks kits. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna say right off the bat that I don't normally like to use kits. There's some things in a kit that I really enjoy using, and other times I don't like feeling so restricted in where I can place my stickers. But there are some situations where, see, that's not straight. There are some situations where I enjoy using a kit. So let's grab my pilot vanishing point here and draw out my columns. Let's move this little clippy, and actually let's put this clippy back where it normally goes. I do one thing different and then my whole routine is all over the place. Okay, you hear noises upstairs. The kitchen, or our kitchen, is right above my office. And that's when everyone decides that it's a good idea to start doing their own thing, is when I am filming. That's okay. It's always fun when I'm filming and my husband, when he's playing guitar, happens to be playing in the kitchen, and then he starts tapping his foot. He has a very heavy foot. So when he starts tapping, he doesn't realize how loud he is. Oh boy. Okay. So I've drawn those out, and if you haven't seen my videos on the Hobonichi weeks before, I use this column for my work schedule, this column for to-do lists, and then this column for weather. But I'm gonna put some of these stickers down because they are beautiful, and these I will actually use where they're meant to go. Well, that one kind of went down before I had any choice. Oh, I like that. And then this, I mean, I could put it down here. You know what? Yeah, just go with the flow. Don't think too much on where these are gonna go, because I also want to like place a big sticker in the middle, or maybe one right at the top, so that then I can put my trackers down here. Thing is, a kit like this has so much stuff, but I'm never gonna use all of it. And I'm also jumping all over the place from what I'm gonna use to the next. So let's put the weekend sticker there, which isn't even all the way to the side, but that's okay. And like, you could put all these stickers here, but that's not what I use that area for. And then all these stickers are lovely, but I don't know if I would use all of them. So let's put this down because it's cool and it's big, and there we go. Then I can add other stickers next to it for decoration. So for example, this one, actually, these, I mean, I could place these up here, but I don't want to. I want to grab my scissors and cut these in half at a diagonal and place them here, not perfectly in line with it, and then this one not perfectly in line with it. Oops. Hi there. Okay. Oh, I like that. Then I can place a few circles here for decoration. Oh, I like that too. It's just a little something, but it adds texture, which I enjoy. Let's add this one here. Oh, I like that. Then we have a couple of these cute icons, but where am I going to put them? I think I'll put one on Monday, and then this little one I will put on Friday. this. Oh, one thing I haven't done is actually write down the dates. So we have the, let's do it this way, the 17th, 18th. Do I have any big plans for this week? Oh, I almost wrote 22 for 21. Okay. I don't think I have any big plans this week that I know of. Anyway, I'm liking where everything is looking so far. So now I just want to make sure that I do have enough room for my lists. So I like that. Errands, important, recycling, trash, laundry, blah, 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 blah. Actually, let me see. Night out, work, oh hell no. Get it done, to do, home, work. There's a lot of work in here. But I will put groceries. Let's grab my, oops, thing. Oh my God. Groceries, place that on Thursday. Then, oh, it's not straight. And that is gonna bug me. Hold on. Yay, I was able to lift it up and straighten it. Okay, so groceries are for pickup on Thursday. Trash and recycling will be, well, trash day is, no, the trash has to go out on Tuesday. This is definitely different from the way that I would normally do it, but I'll add this to the to-do list side. Trash out. Important, let's plan errands, cleaning. Ooh, we're supposed to have our cleaner come last Wednesday, but just with my schedule, it didn't work out. So I'm gonna put cleaning on the Wednesday. Then, let's see, anything else? Am I having a night out? No. No, I'm not having a night out. Okay, I also have habits here. There's only 3, and I normally track 4, but that's okay. So put the habits down here. Yeah, and then I think I'll put maybe this week. No, it's gonna be the do this. Although it's not. Oh, is it the full length of it? Okay. Okay, I said I didn't like all these kits, but I am actually enjoying this particular process. It's not straight, but that's okay. I was going to use my fountain pens, but I'm finding that the Pilot with the Pilot Roshizuku Takesumi is the one that works best. So I guess I'm going to have to prioritize which ones I want to track. So I do want to, oh, that's hard. This one's hard. Okay, so I will do, here we go, I'll do vitamins and my nighttime routine in one. And actually, I feel like there's more pressure to do both now. Then audiobook and no stationery spend. Okay, I'm liking how that's looking. Then we need my tracker for sleep, and then we need my tracker for workouts. There isn't a label for that, but I could create one. Oh, I like these. These are cute. And then I could use that sticker to go with it, or these stickers to go with it. But then it takes up a lot of room. How do I want to do this? I think, and then these are for to-do lists, which I could put them down, but I do more than 3 things on a day-to-day basis, so I probably won't be using these. But I can use these with this. So I'm going to cut this in half like I did last time, or for these ones down here. And then we'll put, we might have to do sleep and then workout and then tasks here. Okay, so let's do first sleep. the sleep graph. And I'm gonna use this one. Or do I want the smaller one? I think the smaller one might work out better. This, I know that kits can be really, really helpful, but they kind of throw me off a little bit. They're fun to use every now and again, but they also throw me off. So that one is for sleep. And I'm gonna use my Mayfair pens with the Tiffany. Oh, I love this pen. And then go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Who has had trouble with sleep since the time change? I have certainly struggled this last week with feeling like I've had enough sleep. I'm trying to go to bed at what would have been my usual time, but I'm struggling. I am struggling. So I don't think I'll have enough room down here to put workout, so I might have to put it here. So I'm going to have to find a creative way to, okay, I think that might work. They're not perfectly in line. And then use this green one and place that on top. Oh, I like that. And then with my Pilot vanishing point, work out. And I'm sure it's probably one word. Okay, then using my Leonardo Memento Zero. This is in the Andromeda finish. How pretty is that? So I'll do, what are the days of the week again? Oh my goodness, my brain. I need blotting paper because I am prone to smudging. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Perfect. Lined up perfectly. And then down underneath, I can put this week. Oh, I like that. That worked out perfectly. Lovely. There's a lot here that I don't need, and I can certainly keep them. But yeah, I mean, like, there's this whole space here that's not being used. Maybe if I put, I don't know. I'm covering up a lot of space, and I don't always necessarily want to do that. But I'll go in here and then start writing in my work schedule. So making sure I have blotting paper so I don't smudge anything. My work schedule for next week. Nothing's different this week. But I'm looking forward to the week after, where I'm getting a day off because of my birthday. Thursday's different. Oh, and then cleaning, I have to say 8:30, multiply. And then, whoops. Okay, then Friday, the huge. Saturday, Henry has no swimming because his last lesson is the 15th, so no swimming. I'm just gonna actually write that H, no swim. But he does have badminton. Okay. I don't have any plans for next weekend. Henry and I might just do a whole Harry Potter marathon that day. He's gotten into Harry Potter recently, and I have let him. He's loved it. I'm going to do the weather first here. So I'm going to pull up the weather on my iPad on a different screen here. This last week, I'm filming this on Friday, but this last week we have gone down to -17, -21. I am looking forward to this coming week, which is going to get back to what should be spring temperatures. So we have, oh, I have this stamp that I purchased from AliExpress, and it's actually really cute. So then Monday is supposed to be cloudy. Just making sure I'm centered. And then Tuesday is sun and cloud, so partly cloudy. Then Wednesday is sunny. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Friday. I always get mixed up when I do this. So Wednesday is sunny, and then Thursday, Friday, Saturday are all sun and cloud. It's funny though, I do this because I think it's really fun to look at, but then I look up the weather on a day-to-day basis and it's never the same. And then Sunday is cloudy. Okay, then I'm gonna use my Mayfair pens again to write the temperature that is currently forecasted for the week. Monday, the high is 0. Oh, I just thought my pen looked weird for a sec. The high is 0, the low is -12. Then Tuesday, the high is 1 Celsius with the low of -9. Oh, it's getting better. Wednesday, the high is 2 degrees Celsius with the low of -7. Thursday, the high is 4 degrees with the low of -5. Friday, oh, lovely, 5 degrees with a low of -2. I appreciate all of you for sticking through my plan with me just to see what my weather's like. A high of, what are we on Saturday? The high of 4, the low of -3. And then Sunday, high of 4 with a low of -2. So around spring temperatures, we're getting there, And then my to-do lists for each of the days. I'm really liking this. I didn't think that I would, as I look at this, I didn't think I would like this arrangement as much, but the stickers are rubbing off on me here. I'm enjoying that. Okay, so then just waiting for that to dry. For Monday's to-do lists, it's always meal plan and order groceries, and I'll add in anything else I need to do after. Tuesdays, put the trash out. Wednesday, I'm having a brain fart as to what I'm supposed to be doing. I think Tuesday I will be, what am I doing on Tuesday? I think I do need to film Thursday's video, which is I think going to be my superlatives video. Then my husband's going to pick up groceries that day. We have the cleaner. I'm going to be doing, my brain is like, what am I supposed to be doing this week? Let me check my yearly here. Anything this week? No, actually nothing coming up this week. So it's a nice kind of easy week, which is lovely. There's really not a lot in terms of my to-do list, but I'll add that in as the week goes. Yeah, all right, but that is it for me. You can see how much I loved using a kit, and the kit is great. I think I could still use a lot of this, although my favorite was probably this, but I could probably still use a lot of this for a future spread, and then yeah, go from there. Sorry. That is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all for watching and have yourselves a great day.